Hi, is this seat free?
Yes, it's free. You can sit here.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Do you come to this library often?
Yes, almost every day. It's quiet and comfortable.
I like it too, it helps me focus.
What are you studying today?
I'm studying English grammar. I have a test tomorrow.
Oh, good luck. English is very important.
Thank you. What about you? What are you studying?
I'm preparing for my history exam.
History sounds interesting. Which topic?
World War II, there is a lot to remember.
Yes, history has many dates and events.
Exactly, that's why I came to the library.
Do you prefer studying alone or with friends?
Mostly alone, I can concentrate better, and you?
Same here, but sometimes group study helps.
That's true.
Do you use books or your phone for study?
Both books for reading and my phone for quick searches.
I do the same. Technology makes studying easier.
Yes, but phones can also be distracting.
That's why I keep mine on silent here.
Good idea.
By the way, do you know where the English dictionary is?
Yes, it's on the second shelf behind you.
Oh, I see it. Thank you. Are you a student at the local college?
Yes, I'm in my second year. What about you?
I'm in my first year. Everything is still new for me.
Don't worry, you'll get used to it soon.
I hope so. College life is busy.
Yes, but it's also exciting.
What do you usually do after studying?
I go home and review my notes again.
That's a good habit.
What about you?
I like to practice speaking English online.
That's great. Practice makes perfect.
Do you also want to improve your English?
Yes, especially speaking.
Maybe we can practice together sometimes.
That would be helpful.
We can meet here in the library.
Yes, this place is perfect.
Oh, we should speak more softly.
Yes, it's a quiet zone.
Nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you too.
Hi. It's nice to see you. How are you today?
Hi. I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well. I just finished my work, so I came here to relax.
That's great. This place is really cozy, isn't it?
Yes, I love the atmosphere and the coffee here. What did you order?
I ordered a latte. It's my favorite. What about you?
I got a black coffee. I need something strong today.
You look a little tired. Did you sleep late last night?
Yes, I stayed up working on a project. It took longer than I expected.
That sounds stressful. Is the project finished now?
Almost. I just need to make a few small changes.
Good luck. I'm sure you'll do a great job.
Thanks. So, how has your day been?
It's been busy but productive. I had 2 meetings this morning.
That's a lot. Do you enjoy your work?
Yes, I do. It keeps me learning new things.
That's important. I think learning every day helps us grow.
I agree. By the way, do you come to this cafe often?
Yes, usually on weekends. It's a good place to think and relax.
Maybe we should meet here again sometime.
I'd like that. Let's plan for next weekend.
Sounds good.